What's going on? We're back over here at another part of the Tallulah Falls. It's like different falls. Oh, there's the waterfall down there. Shit. The hell you get down there to that waterfall? This joint feel crazy too, but it's nice. I want you to see it. See over it. All of these nice mountains around us. Just sitting up here chilling in it. Chilling in nature, trying to feel back on this. You can see that. Nice falls. I like it. I like the background. I like the air out here. Fresh air, rustic trees around me. Nice sun beating down on me. Beautiful out here. It's perfect.